Now I'm gonna show you how to cook salmon in air fryer. So the ingredients we need is ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, red chili powder, salt, garam masala and black pepper powder. So I'm gonna mix all these together and apply for this salmon. And after applying, I'm gonna marinate this for 1 hour. Now I have mixed all ingredients together and applied to the salmon. Now I'm gonna put a few drops of lime juice on every piece, and now I'm gonna keep this aside for at least 1 hour. Now I have wrapped everything in aluminum foil and kept in a jar of air fryer. I'm gonna put this in air fryer, set the time for 10 minutes at temperature of 400 degree Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. So now first round is completed. Now we're gonna flip everything. So now I'm gonna put another 10 minutes at same temperature 400 degree Fahrenheit. Here is the yummy salmon. Yummy salmon is ready. Well cooked and so soft.